Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I got me a new mirror mount because I broke the other one trying to adjust it for Papa and the motherfucker cracked. It wasn't a state-of-the-art one anyway. It was from my job that I got for free, and I was like, ooh, let me use this. Didn't even have it for 2.5 days, and that thing was cracked. But I'm fresh off work, absolutely tired. I'm getting ready to take a shower. I just ordered me and Cartier some food. He done already took his bath, and he in there maxing and relaxing. I let him stay home today. Worst idea. Worst idea. And the crazy part about it is I regret it every time. I regret letting him stay home every time. Because the situation is we have a window. And I woke up at 7:30 today, and I start work at 8. And normally I wake up at 5. I don't know, I was sleeping good. I was sleeping hella good, I guess. So once I miss that window of opportunity, I just be like, fuck it, he gonna stay home. But I'm gonna stop doing that. Even if I miss my window of opportunity, I'm just gonna communicate with my job, let them know, hey, whoop whoop, bam, bam, still get his ass to school and make my way back home so I can clock in, okay? But anyway, this is the start of a new vlog. It is March 17th. Happy St. Patty's if you celebrate that. Let me know down below if y'all enjoyed the last vlog. You know, it was a little bit all over the place, but bear with me. This is new to me. I'm new to this. I'm not true to this, y'all. So we're gonna try to be a little bit on schedule, try to have a little bit of organization in this vlog. But yes, I'm about to hop in the shower and then wait for our food to come. And I'll be back when the food be here. And y'all can see what we got. I love you. Hey y'all, I thought I was recording, seasoning everything. I am making barbecue baked chicken, corn, and rice. I just put my the oven on. It's preheating. I'm about to wipe my oven down because y'all, after I cook, we're gonna have a nice talk, a nice little sit down, because your girl been going through it. This retrograde been kicking my ass. Life has been kicking my ass, and I've just been pushing the fuck through. But we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk. Be right back. yeah, so I am going to do I'm gonna do a try on haul, maybe. I don't know if I'm gonna try everything on for y'all or if I'm gonna just show y'all everything I got. I don't know. We're gonna see how that plays out. I really hope y'all can hear me because I got the mic attached. Oh, I gotta get this together, honey. I have to get this together, this vlog and shit, because got my rice Hey y'all, checking back in. It is March 21st and I'm actually headed to a retreat. Me and my mom, we're rolling out. And yeah, I just put my luggage in the trunk, so that may be why I'm breathing a little hard. But yes, I'm super excited. So I'm going to check back in with y'all when I get to my mom's, and then we'll get some footage on the way there. It's gonna be a vibe. I'm gonna bring y'all to the retreat vibes. Okay. Hey y'all, we finally made it. As y'all can see, it's nighttime. But we finally made it. We're about to check in, take our luggage, and catch a vibe. Probably take a shower. We already ate. And see what the festivities is giving, or we might just turn it in. I'm tired. But once we get in, I'm going to give y'all a little tour so y'all can see, you know, what the vibes is. I needed this. I needed this resort. I needed a getaway. I needed to let my hair down because this week was crazy. This week was crazy. Last week was even crazier. And I've kind of been looking forward to this. I'm not going to hold y'all. I've kind of been looking forward to getting away, relaxing, being by the water, in nature, journaling. The only thing I am mad about is I did leave my Bible, but that's what the Bible app is for. Clock it. So, did I really leave it? I'm just not able to do my highlighting, but I will do my notes. So when I get home, I can just highlight. I can go back to what, you know what I'm saying, I did. So yeah, we're just checking in, and then I'm gonna be back so y'all can see what the vibes is giving.
like 12 midnight and I'm just about to get in the shower. I low-key took a little nap. I'm not gonna hold you. Hold on, I forgot my brush. Okay. So it's 12 at night, well 12 in the morning, and I'm just getting ready to get in the shower, y'all. I did take a little nap. I was tired. Like, as soon as I got off work, I went straight to my mom's and we got on the road. So, and I tried to take a nap on the road and really couldn't. So yeah, I'm gonna curl my hair tomorrow. This hair gets really cute when it's wet, super freaking curly. So I'm gonna do the wet and curly look tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. Look at me, just all disheveled. I literally just got out the bed. But no, we made it safe and sound. We met up with the other ladies here on the retreat and got some cute little goodie bags. Got our shirts or whatnot for our group picture and to just, coin this day. And overall, I feel like the fact that we got here late, we were still able to walk around a little bit, walk around and see the grounds or whatnot. And everything looks nice. I'm ready to see the spa. They have yoga at 10 a.m., which I'm loving the time because don't nobody want to be going to yoga at 7 o'clock in the morning. I would have been out. That would have been out. Breakfast is already at 7:30. So yeah, I don't want to miss that. So I'm just checking in with y'all. I really don't have much to say. I'm tired. I know I look tired. My eyes are red as fuck. Oh, I need to get some Lumify. I always get Lumify for my eyes when they're super red and dry. I'm probably gonna order some for me and Papa. Or I'm gonna probably find not for Papa. I'm always ordering me and him something. That's why he don't need no Lumify. I'm gonna order me some off of Amazon, or I might just find a CVS around here where I can just go pick some up. But yeah, just checking in. I'm praying y'all are doing good. Comment down below how y'all liking the vlogs. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. I have to get used to saying like, comment, and subscribe. Normally Papa, you know what I'm saying, he the big dog. He reminds y'all. But he's not here. So yeah, make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And another thing is, before I go, I'm hearing like, vlogging is not hitting no more. You gotta do other things that'll keep, people coming back. If you're starting vlogs, why would somebody want to watch you? Because they don't know you. But that's the whole point of watching vlogs, so that you get to know the person. All right, so get to know me. Okay, I love y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
It's still a vibe. Hallelujah. But we outside.
35 hard, going good. No alcohol for 35 days, y'all. And my drink is so cute with a little cherry. I'm so proud of me. Hey y'all, so this is the menu of the restaurant we went to right before we left. It was a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love the food. The waffle could have been a little softer, but it is a Belgian waffle, so I understand the thickness of it all, but it was still good. And the service was 10 out of 10 as well.